If you've ever wanted a scroll-based gallery that looks sleek, works beautifully on mobile, and reverses smoothly when you scroll back up, this one's for you. In this video, we are building an infinite scroll gallery in Elementor that uses just a few containers and a simple script. It's fully responsive and super easy to set up. I have also linked the JSON file and the code you'll need in the pinned comment below so you can follow along or import it directly. Start by clicking the plus icon at the top left and add a new container. With that container selected, head to Advanced tab and assign the class name Scroll Showcase. This is going to be our main wrapper and control the scroll-based animation. Inside that, add another container. This one gets the class name Stack Deck. Think of this as the deck that will hold all your image cards and stack them vertically in a smooth scroll sequence. Now inside the Stack Deck, add another container, give it the class card item. Head over to Style and set a background image. This will be your first image in the gallery. Once that's set, duplicate the container and replace the image. Do this until you've got 20 different cards, enough to create that continuous scroll effect. Once your layout is ready, drag in an HTML widget and paste the code I've provided below. The script will handle the scroll animation and interaction, so your gallery responds naturally as the user moves through the page. Now, since this layout uses background images and a scroll-based script, it's important to keep your page lightweight, especially on mobile. That's where Airlift comes in. It's a free speed optimization plugin built specifically for WordPress, and it works perfectly with Elementor. Just install, run the optimization, and it'll automatically compress your images, clean up unused CSS, and delay scripts that don't need to load immediately. You don't have to tweak anything manually, it handles everything in the background. Finally, publish the page and check out on the front end. As you scroll, the gallery will travel through images one by one, and when you scroll back up, the directions reverse just as smoothly. It's clean, it's fast, and it works beautifully across all devices. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're going to love it. Click here and I'll see you there.